Hello, welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to explain a little bit about of the problem of windup in controllers with integral action, and of course how to fix them. My name is Carlos, and this is my second partial exam. So let's begin. First, I'm going to explain a little bit about the windup controllers. Basically, they are a combination of a controller with integral action and an actuator with saturates. This phenomenon is a non-linear effect that causes a limitation in actuators such as the speed of a motor and the limits of a control system. As you can see in the next both graph, we can see the control variable graph and the actuator response graph. This we can see the control variable reach the actuator limits. This is an excess of the input signal, so the system will run as an open loop. The problem of the integral action in this situation is that the error will be continue incrementing, so that we can say that the integral loop will converge. In this another example, I'm going to make a little graph. We are not going to see any calculation in this case, but we are going to see the windup effect and the end of this example. The windup phenomenon is illustrated here, and is the example of a control of integrated circuit with a PI controller. We can see here an overrange above the initial point, and the red area is an excess, so it's considered as an error. We can see that the saturation limits here. So the integral part come to the last level. So after understanding a little bit about this problem, I'm going to explain some little solutions. For example, the set point limitation. Caused by disturbance. Another solution is to implement incremental algorithms. Another solution could be the back calculations and tracking. Which may solve this humongous mistake, and setting our control with a tracking mode. To have a match in between the inputs and outputs. We can talk about more solutions, for example, the proportional band. However, it can cause a lot of noise. Another but more complicated solution can be the conditional integration. And is only used for some conditions, not very recommended. Some solutions. Now we can see that in between all these possible solutions, the best one could be the set point limitation for our future projects to stabilize our system. And well, let's proceed with some conclusions. For example, the integration windup. It's important to consider all our possible solutions because all the situations could be different. So basically, all solutions can be possible. However, they all have their disadvantages. Thanks for watching and see you next video.